Watch this. Just watch this real quick. My whole valve cover moves. I've been losing some oil, you know, just daily driving throughout the summer here. So I've got to assume that's part of it. So I'm going to see if I can find some tools to tighten up the valve covers, and we'll do that real quick. Pretty much what we're going to have to do, we're going to get an Allen wrench, and hopefully I can just take these bolts out of the coil bracket there, and hopefully I can just kind of lay that over and tighten down the four. You probably can't see that. 1, 2, 3, 4 back there. 4 bolts for the valve cover. I'm also going to check the passenger side, because it doesn't feel nearly as bad as this one, but it definitely feels like it's got a little wiggle in it. So I'm going to find an Allen wrench that fits, and we're going to get that done. Perfect. I can't believe how loose that was. Holy cow. So what we'll do is we will bolt the coil pack back up on there, remove the passenger side, check and make sure those are all tight. Just like the other side, I will put those bolts back on the valve cover. But I believe we're going to end it right here tonight. I will clean up that air filter when I go ahead and put the drain line that I'm ordering tonight. When I get that and put it on the Procharger and get that put back in, we'll make a video on that. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Any comments on anything that you believe I should have done different, or anything you got from this? And as always, please subscribe. Tell your friends about it. I'm really thankful for all you guys. And hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time.